And welcome to another video tutorial, and today we will discuss about the taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of biology which deals with the introduction, classification, naming and their systematic arrangement of living organisms. That is known as taxonomy. Uh, branch of biology which deals with the classification, naming and defining base pair characters of living organisms known as taxonomy. The term taxonomy first time coined by A.P. de Candolle, and the father of taxonomy is Aristotle. The word taxonomy first time used by A.P. de Candolle, that's why it is known as A.P. de Condolle's word. But the taxonomy work is done by first time Aristotle. That's why he is known as the father of taxonomy. But in 17th century, Carlos Linnaeus does the first classification, and that's why he is known as the modern taxonomy, father of modern taxonomy. As we know that the classification is the grouping of living organism on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities, characteristics, uh, that is known as classification. As we know that some are plants, some are animal, and some have some common characters of plants and animals like Protista. Uh, so these kingdom classification we will discuss in next session uh, in another video. Now, what is systematics? If classification is done on the basis of evolutionary characters, means from which organism another organism is originated, what is their background, how they are produced from one organism to another, then this is known as systematics. Okay, so systematic is a broad term under the taxonomy. Let us discuss. Taxonomy have different type of categories which are known as the hierarchy. And the basic of this taxonomy is species. Mean lowest rank in taxonomy is species. If we found some new animal or plant, then we must first consider it species, genus, then family, then order, class, phylum, and kingdom. Okay, let us discuss one by one. A species, as we know that the group of individuals who share common character, ऐसे लोगों का समूह जिनके करेक्टर्स एक जैसे हों, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? स्पीसीज. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल द पैंथेरा लियो. द पैंथेरा is a generic name and Leo is a species. It means this species, all Leo, all lion have similar characters, like their habitat of food, eating, their living, their body, their eyes, their fur, etc. All are same. Then this is known as the species. For example, like Solanum nigrum, Solanum tuberosum. And now all here is the tuberosum, nigrum, and leo are species, and these tuberosum, matlab all potato have similar character, all makoi, nigrum have similar character, all lion have similar characters. But what in genus? A group of species which have some similar character known as genus means ज्यादा करेक्टर एक जैसे नहीं होंगे, कुछ करेक्टर आपस में मिलते होंगे, कुछ करेक्टर आपस में नहीं मिलते होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी सी इन अबो एग्जांपल solanum, both have solanum nigrum and solanum tuberosum, but they have little bit difference. As we know, tuberosum it produce tubers, and nigrum it produce a berry, black makoi, है ना? तो but their pattern of flowering, flowers formation, flower characters are similar, that's why they are included in a single genus but with little bit of different characters. Okay, that's why Solanum, uh, Nigrum and Tuberosum in a same genus. Similarly, Panthera, Leo, Panthera, Tigris, है ना? Tigris means tiger और lion में थोड़ा सा अंतर होता है, but they are in similar family. That's why they are Panthera. A group of genus which share some common character. ऐसे जीनस जो कुछ करेक्टर्स को कॉमनली शेयर करते हो, बट सम करेक्टर में भी डिफर। अब जो जीनस है जिनका ग्रुप बनाएंगे उस जीनस का, जैसे ये सोलेनम का हो गया, दूसरी किसी और फैमिली से हो जाएगा, जीनस का हो जाएगा, जिनके कुछ करेक्टर आपस में मिलते हों, उनको हम एक फैमिली में इंक्लूड करते हैं। एग्जाम्पल पैंथेरा लियो, पैंथेरा टिग्रिस और फेलिस जो कैट होती हैं, इन तीनों के करेक्टर एक जैसे लगभग लगभग मिलते हैं, एंड दे आर इंक्लूडेड इन ए फैमिली फेलिडी। Similarly, dogs and wolves have similar type of habitat of feeding and body size and color. That's why they are included in Canidae. तो जिन जीनस के कुछ करेक्टर आपस में मिलते हों, उनको हम एक फैमिली में इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं। इसी प्रकार इसी टाइप से सोलेनम निग्रम, सोलेनम ट्यूबरसम प्लेस इन सोलेनेसी। ओके, now order. As we go above and above from species to kingdom, there is a some characters are similar and some characters are different, and the differences increases from species to kingdom. मीन्स जब स्पीसीज जो होगी उसमें सारे लगभग करेक्टर आपस में मिलते होंगे, जीनस में कुछ करेक्टर कम मिलेंगे लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा मिलेंगे, फिर फैमिली में जाएंगे तो कुछ करेक्टर मिलेंगे कुछ नहीं मिलेंगे, ऑर्डर में जाएंगे तो कुछ करेक्टर मिलेंगे कुछ नहीं मिलेंगे। तो जो डिफरेंसेस हैं, जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर की तरफ उठते हैं स्पीसीज से, तो वो कम और ज्यादा, मतलब सिमिलरिटीज जो है वो कम होती चली जाती हैं और डिसमिलरिटीज बढ़ती चली जाती हैं। तो ऑर्डर इज सिमिलरली द असेंबलेज ऑफ फैमिली विच शेयर सम कॉमन करेक्टर। ठीक है, like Felidae and Canidae are placed in the same order Carnivora because both have the carnivorous feeding. Similarly, gibbons, monkey, gorilla are placed in Primata. Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae family placed together in Polymonials. It is the assemblage of family. Then similarly we go for the class. Class is also the assemblage of order. Example जैसे Primata including human placed in class Mammalia. Similarly, plants who have two cotyledons are included in Dicotyledony, and the plants who have single cotyledon they are placed in Monocotyledony. Okay. Now phylum or division. Group of class who share some common character. Example, all insect include Arthropoda. And in animals case, we use the term phylum for the assemblage of class, while in plants we use the division term in place of phylum. In plant, division word was used. Example, all seed-bearing plants are known as spermatophyta and they are further classified into angiospermy or gymnospermy. All flowering plants who produce flower and whose seeds are covered inside ovary, all included in angiospermy, while the whose seeds are borne on leaf and naked, they all are placed in gymnospermy. Now, the top most hierarchy rank is kingdom. Basic is species and top is kingdom. Uh, the kingdom is two types only. Either it is a plant, then it is known as the plantae. Either it is a animal, then it is known as Animalia. However, now the word five kingdom classification further produce like Plantae, Animalia, Fungi, Protistas, okay, and Monera for bacteria. So there is five kingdoms and five kingdom classification. One is Monera is the first, then second Protista, then third Fungi, then fourth Plantae, then fifth Animalia. So these are the five kingdoms of classification. And then a further classification is come which is based on the domains. There is three domains: prokaryotes, eukaryotes, and archaea. We will discuss it in different lecture. Now, what are the taxonomic aids? The aids used for study purpose, for identification purpose, etc. These are known as the taxonomical aids. Okay, so these includes like first we take is museum. Museum is the place where living organisms are kept. It may be present in any institute or any zoo, etc. है ना? Uh, ये, आप you know that when animals internal organs are uh, put out and a uh, straw are filled inside it and they are in preserve form. Sometimes some plants are also present in museums. Okay. Then what is manuals? Manuals are the indicator or characteristics are written in the form of bullets for some living organism. Then they are known as the manual. For example, Solanaceae family के बारे में आप जानना चाहते हो तो सोलोनेस फैमिली के क्या करेक्टर्स होते हैं तो उसको एक चार्ट पे मैनुअल रूप बना दिया जाएगा कि भाई ये चीज़ें इसके करेक्टर की होंगे ठीक है देन जूलॉजिकल पार्क्स जहाँ पर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को उनके नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट्स में रखा जाने की कोशिश करी जाती है ओके देन वी कम टू द मोनोग्राफ मोनोग्राफ मीन मोनो मीन ए सिंगल जब किसी एक सिंगल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की जिंदगी के बारे में हम पब्लिश करते हैं लिख करके उसका डाटा पब्लिश करते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं मोनोग्राफ ओके देन हर्बेरियम herbarium mostly made up of for the plants. In this, we take a seed of 29 centimeter to 43 centimeter in length and 29 centimeter in uh, width. And here the plant after drying was pasted on this sheet of paper and it here a column which composed of its name, date of collection, locality, collector's name, family, genus, identification points are made there, then it is known as a herbarium. यानी कि एक पेड़ को आपको जड़ मतलब उसकी रूट, स्टेम और लीफ अगर जो हर्ब है तो पूरा पौधा निकाल करके इस उसको ड्राई करके सीट पे माउंट कर लेंगे और अगर जो बड़ा पेड़ है तो उसकी लीफ एक स्टेम का छोटा टुकड़ा और फ्लावर को अलग से छोटे छोटे मतलब पिक करके उसको इस पे चिपका देंगे देन इट इज नोन एज द हर्बेरियम सीड एंड हर्बेरियम्स आर प्रेजेंट मोस्टली इन नेशनल हर्बेरियम अगर जो हम इंडिया की बात करें तो नेशनल हर्बेरियम कलकत्ता में हमें इसकी मतलब ऑल प्लांट्स प्रेजेंट इन इंडिया कैन बी फाउंड देयर similarly for some plants we go to the Lucknow there is also a herbarium तो सिमिलरली फ्लोरा प्लांट्स के बारे में जो भी रिटर्न स्टडी मटेरियल होता है डेट इज फ्लोरा फॉर एग्जांपल अगर जो आपने कभी सुना हो फ्लोरा ऑफ दिल्ली ए बुक पब्लिश्ड बाय महेश्वरी which shows that the all the plants found in Delhi are given in this book Flora of Delhi. Similarly, if you are living in Haryana or Panchkula, for example, then you will found a book, Flora of Panchkula. If you're living in Mumbai, you will found a Flora of Mumbai, which have the information about the plants found in that particular area. That is known as flora. Botanical gardens uh, are the place where plants are kept either in natural or sometime in artificial condition. Then last word is key. Key is something that which are made for study purposes. Uh, for study purpose. There is different type of key, computer-based key, punched key, etc. For example, I will give one example here. As your phone is locked by your face lock, uh, then only your face can open your phone. Similar type of keys are made for plants. Their characters are printed. Their characters are mentioned, and these characters are compared by another plant. If it shows many similarities, then it may be the nearest one to that. If it does not shows any similarities, it means it does not shows any similarity with that. So it help in classification. The keys used for classification purpose are known as the taxonomic keys. ठीक है and at a word a taxonomic aid the aids which are used for taxonomic purpose are known as taxonomic aids. Here we see that the herbaria where we can compare a plant flora. Here we get information about the plants. Botanical garden, here we can find the living plants material. Zoological park, here we found the living animals. Manuals, we found the written. Museums, here we could found living as well as a dead organism with characters. Museum or herbarium is just a similar type of conditions where dried material are preserved in plants either or animals. In museum, plants like hydrophytes are preserved in formaldehyde. Similarly in animals. Okay, thank you.